Did you know that the camera on your phone right now can capture more detail than the human eye in certain low light conditions? The world of phone cameras has come a long way, and it's happening at an incredible pace. We're seeing advancements that make you wonder what's possible with a device that fits right in your pocket. 1. Introduction: a camera revolution in your pocket. The smartphone camera has transformed from a simple convenience feature into one of the most powerful tools in modern technology. Today, the device in your pocket can capture images that rival professional cameras from just a decade ago. Whether it's low-light photography, cinematic video recording, or AI-enhanced portrait shots, smartphone cameras are pushing the boundaries of what compact imaging technology can achieve. What makes this transformation even more exciting is that the future is not far away, it's already happening right now. Innovations in sensors, artificial intelligence, computational photography, and lens engineering are turning smartphones into professional-grade photography tools. In fact, many photographers, vloggers, and content creators now rely entirely on their phones for their work. This article explores how phone cameras have evolved, the technologies driving them today, and the incredible innovations shaping the future of smartphone photography. 2. The evolution of smartphone cameras. From basic sensors to powerful imaging systems. In the early 2000s, smartphone cameras were little more than novelty features. Early models often featured sensors below 1 megapixel and produced grainy, low-resolution images that struggled even in daylight conditions. They were designed primarily for quick snapshots rather than serious photography. Over time, improvements in sensor technology dramatically increased image quality. Megapixel counts rose rapidly, reaching 8 MP, 12 MP, and eventually beyond 100 MP in some flagship smartphones. However, megapixels alone didn't define progress. Manufacturers began focusing on sensor size, pixel quality, and advanced image processing. Another major shift came with the introduction of multiple camera lenses. Instead of relying on a single lens, modern smartphones now use combinations such as wide, ultra-wide, telephoto, macro, and depth sensors. This multi-camera approach allows smartphones to capture a wider variety of scenes while maintaining impressive detail and clarity. The result is that modern smartphones are no longer limited to casual photography, they are capable of capturing stunning images across almost any environment. 3. The power of computational photography. Where software meets photography magic. One of the most revolutionary aspects of modern smartphone cameras is computational photography. Instead of relying solely on hardware, smartphones use powerful software algorithms to enhance images. Computational photography works by capturing multiple images in rapid succession and combining them into a single optimized photograph. This technique improves dynamic range, sharpness, color accuracy, and noise reduction. For example, night mode allows smartphones to capture bright, detailed images in extremely low light conditions. The camera takes multiple exposures and merges them together, producing a final image that would otherwise require a tripod and long exposure on a traditional camera. HDR high dynamic range is another widely used feature powered by computational photography. It balances bright highlights and dark shadows to produce a well-exposed image even in challenging lighting conditions. Portrait mode, which creates a professional-looking blurred background, is also largely driven by software rather than optics. AI analyzes the depth of the scene and intelligently separates the subject from the background. These innovations demonstrate how software is now just as important as hardware in shaping the future of smartphone photography. 4. AI, the smart brain behind modern cameras. Artificial intelligence enhancing every shot. Artificial intelligence has become the invisible engine behind modern smartphone photography. AI algorithms analyze scenes in real time and adjust camera settings automatically to produce the best possible image. For instance, AI scene detection can recognize whether the camera is capturing food, landscapes, pets, or people. Based on this recognition, the camera automatically adjusts brightness, contrast, and color tones. Face detection and beauty algorithms also improve portrait photography by optimizing lighting and skin tones while maintaining natural details. Another remarkable AI feature is motion tracking. Modern smartphones can track moving subjects such as pets or athletes and keep them perfectly in focus while shooting bursts of photos. AI is also revolutionizing photo editing. Many smartphones now allow users to remove unwanted objects, enhance sky colors, and even reconstruct blurry photos using advanced machine learning models. As AI continues to improve, smartphone cameras will become even smarter and more capable. 5. The rise of multi-lens camera systems. Why one camera is no longer enough. Modern smartphones typically feature multiple camera lenses, each designed for a specific purpose. This multi-lens approach significantly expands photographic capabilities. The primary camera is usually a wide-angle lens designed for everyday photography. It offers the best balance of resolution, brightness, and dynamic range. Ultra-wide cameras capture a much broader field of view, making them ideal for landscapes, architecture, and group photos. Telephoto cameras provide optical zoom, allowing users to capture distant subjects without sacrificing image quality. Some smartphones also include macro lenses for extreme close-up photography, allowing users to capture intricate details of small objects. Together, these lenses create a versatile camera system capable of handling almost any photography scenario. 6. Video recording, smartphones becoming movie cameras. Cinema-quality video in your pocket. Smartphones are no longer just photography tools, they are powerful video production devices. Many modern smartphones support 4K and even 8K video recording, enabling incredibly sharp footage. Advanced stabilization technologies ensure smooth video even while walking or moving. Cinematic features such as background blur during video recording allow smartphones to mimic the look of professional film cameras. HDR video recording also enhances color accuracy and contrast, producing more vibrant and lifelike footage. As a result, many filmmakers and content creators now use smartphones for documentaries, YouTube videos, and even short films. 7. The hardware innovations driving the future. Bigger sensors and better optics. Behind every great smartphone camera is sophisticated hardware. One of the biggest trends is the adoption of larger camera sensors. Larger sensors capture more light, which leads to brighter images, better dynamic range, and improved low-light performance. Another breakthrough is the periscope zoom lens. Instead of stacking lenses vertically, manufacturers use a prism system that bends light sideways inside the phone. This allows for long optical zoom ranges without increasing the thickness of the device. Advanced optical image stabilization systems also reduce motion blur, ensuring sharper photos and smoother video. These hardware improvements, combined with powerful software processing, are redefining what smartphone cameras can achieve. 8. Photography features that feel like magic. Tools that were once impossible. Modern smartphone cameras offer features that were once only possible with professional equipment. Astrophotography modes allow users to capture stunning images of stars in the night sky. By combining multiple long exposures, smartphones can reveal celestial details invisible to the naked eye. Super macro photography enables extreme close-up shots of flowers, insects, and textures. Some smartphones even offer 100x digital zoom, allowing users to photograph distant objects like the moon. Long exposure modes also allow users to capture motion effects such as flowing water or light trails from moving vehicles. These features demonstrate how smartphones are constantly pushing the boundaries of photography. 9. The future of smartphone cameras. What's coming next? The future of smartphone cameras promises even more groundbreaking innovations. Under-display cameras may eliminate visible camera modules entirely, allowing phones to have seamless screens while still capturing high-quality photos. AI-driven editing tools could automatically transform photos into professional-quality images with minimal user input. Some companies are exploring modular camera systems where users can attach specialized lenses or sensors to their smartphones. Advanced computational photography techniques may also allow smartphones to simulate DSLR-style optical effects that were previously impossible with small sensors. As these technologies develop, the gap between smartphones and professional cameras will continue to shrink. 10. Conclusion: the camera revolution is already here. Smartphone cameras have evolved far beyond their original purpose. What began as a simple convenience feature has become one of the most sophisticated technologies in consumer electronics. With powerful sensors, AI-driven image processing, multi-lens systems, and cinematic video capabilities, smartphones now enable anyone to capture professional-quality photos and videos. Most exciting of all is that the future of smartphone photography is unfolding right now. Each new generation of devices introduces innovations that push imaging technology even further. The smartphone camera revolution isn't coming someday, it's already here, and it's only getting better. I've had my fair share of experiences with modern phone cameras, and I have to say, they've impressed me time and time again. From capturing stunning sunsets to detailed close-ups of wildlife, my phone camera has been with me every step of the way. In my opinion, phone cameras are indeed incredible, offering a level of convenience and capability that's hard to match. They're perfect for anyone who wants a powerful camera that's always with them, and I'd highly recommend them to anyone looking to upgrade their photography game. If you're as excited about phone cameras as I am, I'd love to hear about your experiences. Share your favorite phone camera features or some of your best shots in the comments below. And if you're interested in more tech reviews and future predictions, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for checking out my take on the incredible world of phone cameras.